Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to work on image lightbox setting in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now you see menu bar. So click on it and then you see setting, and in setting you see site setting. So click on it and then you see multiple option, and in setting you see lightbox. So click on it. So this is our image lightbox. If you want, you can enable or disable according to your requirement. Now you see enable, and then you see counter, full screen, zoom, share. So you can do setting according to your requirement. And then you see title, description. If you want, you can hide title. Now you see caption, description. Also you see a description drop down. If you want, you can disable it. And then you see background color, UI color, hover color, text color for image lightbox. And then you see toolbar icon size. So you can make changes in image lightbox using site setting in Elementor WordPress, and then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.